Hey everybody, my name is Jordan with Prolong Visions. I'm here to give you guys a demo today. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us. Love to share you anything additional, but I'm gonna just go ahead and get started right into the video. Okay, so this is our software. This is everything in the standard plan. You get this software with all the plans, but it really is amazing. And I'm just gonna start with the all-in-one inbox. So the all-in-one inbox is cool because all of your communication goes into one place. So whether that's Facebook DMs, reviews, text messages, emails, all in one place. So right here, we got a Facebook DM. Cool, we can just go and reply. Boom, 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 say hello, whatever we need to do. Here's some Google reviews, reply to the reviews. I thank you for leaving a 5-star review, whatever. Or we can even just send normal text messaging or emails, but it's really efficient to have it all in one place. Your calendars over here, you can have multiple calendars. You can send out links to have so people can book right to your calendars. All that stuff's included. Your contacts, so here's all the list of the contacts. You can organize it, you can import it, whatever you want. You could select them all, say add to campaign or workflow, add to pipeline. You could start sending marketing with a click of a button. Send SMS text message, send email, add tags, send review requests, export or import contacts. Super cool. So here's the opportunities where you can keep track of any potential leads you have. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you the automations portions, which is in the right here and under automations. And this is our workflows. And so this is how you can automate really anything for your business. So right here, we just have a basic workflow, just sending emails. So you send an email, wait 3 days, send an email, wait 3 days, and then eventually doing an email every 7 days, right? So say you want to add an SMS text message. Okay, cool. You can write thank you for whatever, okay? Whatever you want, save it, and now it'll just, boom, it'll automatically send that text message along with whatever else you need, say the email. Let's do another one. Okay, now there's a ton of different things you can do here, but we'll just do a voicemail drop. Cool, just upload your MP3, and then it could send voicemails as well. So I'll show you another workflow, and here's an example. So you can have this trigger to anything specifically that you want. So in this one, it's a Facebook lead form. So if you send out a form on Facebook, they fill it out, then it'll automatically start sending them this chain of emails and text messages. So it'll create the opportunity, it'll send a text message, then it'll wait for the response. And now, so we wait for the response. Did they reply? No? Okay, they didn't reply. Well, then we'll send them a text message in 2 days. Now, they did reply. Okay, now was the reply positive or negative? No? Then we'll get notified. If the reply was positive, then we can send another text or whatever we want. Cool, here's a link to the calendar. So, you know, we can really automate anything, and you guys can do anything that would be best for your business. And I'll show you an advanced workflow. So, you know, this is really, if you want to really organize, say if the customer does this, then you're going to send them that. If you want your online system to do this, then you can do that. So you can customize any which way you want, but you have everything available using workflows and automations. Really can save you so much time and transform your business, because all those little routine things can now be automated. Or if you want your marketing to actually happen, you can automate everything so that when a lead enters a form, boom, automatic marketing. If you want to just take your contacts and put them into that workflow, cool, it'll do it on its own. So super cool, so many different features there. And now I'll just show you guys the funnel and website builder. So this is where you can, just build whatever you want. Websites, funnels, awesome. Here's, this is a funnel, so get this 70-inch TV free with any home sale. Awesome for real estate agents. They can put their name in, they understand, okay, I get a 70-inch TV. If I use this real estate agent, I get the TV after closing. You can change any pictures you want around. All of these are templates in the website builder, so you can select this template, you want this style, cool. They have a bunch of different templates for your specific trade. So definitely useful if you want any of the advanced website features like, coding and certain tracking codes or whatever you want. You can put in your codes here. You can, tracking info here. You want your SEO data. Awesome. You can start filling your SEO side of the website all within the software. If you do have any questions, you can go to the Help Center, which there's a link in the software, and any questions you have can be answered and shows you just how to do everything, as well as this widget right here, which you can ask any questions, and this Start Help Guide right here. So pretty much self-explanatory there. And I will just show you all this different features. So we'll go through the payment. So in the payment, obviously you can create invoices, you can send invoices. You want to send an invoice through text, cool. They can pay directly through text message, emails, whatever you want. You can put your subscriptions, products, you want coupons, all can be done and integrated with the app. Marketing, social media marketing, cool. You want to post everything in one exact post, so you can go to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Make one post, send it to all of them, save you a bunch of time. So pretty awesome. Email campaigns, templates, your affiliate programs. If you want to start any affiliate things, then we can have options for that as well. Automations is workflows where we automate everything. Websites, funnel builders, website builders, your blogs. If you have a blog and you want to put it on your website, you can do that here. WordPress, your memberships. Now the memberships are super cool because if you have, say you have a course you want to sell, so you make the course, boom, you can have people subscribe to it. They could pay you monthly, or even if you just want to do training. So say you would just want to train employees. There's videos and picture slides. You say, all right, first do this, then this and this. Send the trainee a link. They could follow along. So it really can help build your business in so many different ways. Here's custom form builders, survey builders. Forms are cool specifically. So if you need to say you need additional info from a customer, say, create the form, say, hey, can you fill this out? They do it on their phone. Yeah, sure, of course. Do them, send it right back to you. It goes automatically into the software. You can import it anywhere you want, or you can put that form in your website or emails, whatever you need to do. Chat widget, this is this little widget right here. And this is cool because you can put this on your website, and then any question that the customer will have, they'll submit it here, and then it'll go right to your phone. So you can just text back, okay, no problem. So again, efficiency, so has everything you need. Reputation, this stuff will do your reputation. So your Google reviews, whatever, here's all your requests you sent out, keep track of it, your reviews, you reply as easy as this. All right, that fast, yep, all in one place, boom. Listings, if you're on the fast track plan and you want to do, have all the SEO, awesome. You can keep track of all those listings here. Reporting, if you want to keep track of your Google ads or Facebook ads, see how they're performing, keep track of the data, all available to you. Settings here brings down a whole nother thing, and you can import and change all your settings. So it's obviously personalized to your business. So that's this standard plan in our software in a nutshell. It does more, and it does it can get pretty advanced, but you get the idea. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'm going to get now to the other two plans, which is the professional plan and the fast track plan. So in those two plans, we do the marketing for you and other things as well. And so if you're not the type that's going to keep up with this stuff and do it yourself and really learn and execute, then these are the two plans for you. And I'm just going to explain one thing real quick. What's the difference between referrals and marketing? Because a lot of business owners rely on referrals. A referral is somebody that's already ready to purchase, right? So they hear about it from their friend. Hey, this is an amazing product. You should buy it. Okay, they call, they buy, they're already sold. Marketing is different. You have to nurture them. You have to say, well, we need to inform you, promote the business, and then nurture them until eventually they're a customer. So some people are ready to buy right away. Other people are not ready to buy it right away. And that's why we'll have these exact nurturing campaigns and everything to eventually get them to be your customer. So we have a bunch of templates and a bunch of different methods that are proven to work and will work, with these two plans. We'll create everything, we'll do it. We'll get the leads for you, which costs us money, but just part of the deal. So we'll put all that into play, get that marketing going, and then you can just worry about doing your job. So we'll set everything up in workflows. We'll do all these things in the emails and texts and social media, all that stuff. So that way everything's moving along routinely. Keep track of your pipelines and opportunities, saying, okay, here's all the leads. This is how much they can be valued. This is how much we're trying to get, in the end result of the marketing. Super cool. Now, the most industries, and say your specific trade or job, there's so many more business owners every day. And every business typically has so much competition. It's just going to get worse over time, right? You could probably see in the last 5 years with YouTube and everything that how many more of your business types are out there. And it typically multiplies every about 7 years. So more competition, and it's going to get way more over time. And then we go to the next slide. In most industries, and right here, just like the housing market, is declining. So 2020 and 2021 were great years. 2021 was a record-breaking year, and now we're actually way down and below the historical average. And the signs say we're going to keep dipping, right? So now we have more competition, less work, so realistically, you should be aware of that and get ready to say, all right, well, how do I need to have my business grow? Now, this can be a great opportunity for so many businesses because by far, most businesses are not going to do any of this stuff. So you're already going to be way ahead of the curve by just having everything at your disposal. Not only to say do it yourself, but to hire us and then we'll do it for you. It could be a rocket ship, especially as more people get diluted over time from, say, recessionary environments. So businesses that demand attention will dominate. So if you're doing all this stuff and you have all the tools, you're creating everything, and you're demanding that attention, you should be climbing up the ladder, in no time. Fast track plan. So the fast track plan. So the professional plan, you're going to get everything on as far as professional marketing goes, and we'll do that stuff for you. The fast track plan is you have advanced marketing features where we're going to use a number of different methods along with those other professional methods to get you the best bang for your buck. So along with the advanced marketing, we'll also create and post your social media. So we'll create the content and then we'll post it once a week to Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So all your social media will be current and routine, so that way you're all up to date. We'll reply to your Google reviews. That will be for the professional plan and the fast track plan. So all your reviews that come in, keep track of that, reply to them. Fast track plan, you get the SEO package. We'll list your business to 70 digital platforms globally, and we'll create profiles on all this stuff. So that way you're on things like chambersofcommerce.com and have profiles on this and that. And that way you're all over the internet and you get boosted on Google, Bing, Yahoo, whatever. So the breakdowns, standard plan, all the tools you need to do it yourself, $297 a month. The professional plan, $597 a month, which gets you all of the professional marketing and reply to Google reviews and extra templates. The fast track plan, $897 a month. This gives you the advanced marketing package, premium support, the SEO package, the social media package, business monitoring, where we, get into your business more, help you out, make sure everything's rolling smooth, help you out where we can to ensure that you are on the fast track. Now we have monthly prices and yearly prices. If you go by the year, you save a whole month, so you only pay for 11 months out of that year instead of 12. So save 1 month of that. Here's a breakdown of all the different services we offer, and as you can see, it's a ton. The value for your money is tremendous, and even right now, we are giving these advanced features even to the standard plan. So everybody that has access to the software, whether that's the standard plan, professional plan, or the fast track plan, you have all these advanced features as well. And then of course, here's a breakdown for the professional plan and the fast track plan. So now for this software, what everything it does, and by the way, there's a mobile app that you can have access for all of your CRM needs. So all your customers, emails, all on the go as well. To have all of this stuff say you want to have all these different services to get it all, you'll pay $1,736 a month, right? To have all this, because our software does it all, and you have to log into each one. So you're going to log in here, then here, and here, do this over here, do this over there. Are you going to be efficient and productive, or are you even going to do that? And you're going to waste all that money. Doesn't make any sense, right? We have it for $297 a month, and it all is in one place. Super easy, no brainer. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Love to hear from you and about your business needs. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you guys. I'm Jordan.